This video guide is about removing the ransomware called T800. T800. This particular ransomware is not too much different from the other ransomware type infections. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files that people store on their computers. After the ransomware attack, customers realize that their files have been damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. As a result, the files are no longer accessible. So I will demonstrate to you what exactly happens after this ransomware attack. This T800 ransomware actually encrypts the files and it infects the system pretty unexpectedly, but it is definitely the result of failure of your security program to protect your files ahead of time. The ransomware has the purpose of forcing its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. As you can now clearly see, the files have been damaged already, and whenever people try to open them, they have a message mentioning that Windows can't open this type of file, T800. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom in order to get the files restored. This is that scary message. But paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee the file restoration. You should not pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So go to this page where you may find the latest version of the software. Install the program and then begin scanning your device. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system, but first of all it will update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins researching your system. Its premium version, by the way, has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add several folders on your computer that will be always protected against ransomware attacks in the future. So at the end of the scan, the full summary of threats will be provided and you will be able to know the locations of threats. And we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to remove these threats altogether and automatically.